You are going to love the 2014 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, front floor mats, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.